time and work. We are going to first strengthen our basics and see tricks to solve sums with no formula and no pen and paper. So by just watching this video and doing a little practice, you will solve sums within 10 seconds with absolutely no formula, no pen and no paper. How are we going to do this? First, we are solving previous year questions through school method to make our basics clear. Once the basics are clear, we are going to move to the trick method. Through it, we can solve sums within 45 seconds, which will be a great help to clear the exam. Then we are doing the pro trick method. This is the method I personally approach the sum. Here in this method, we are solving sums within 10 seconds with no formula, no pen and no paper. This is going to make you a topper. To be updated with these kinds of educational contents, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Let's clear the exam together. Future officers, welcome to Moyon. Lesson 4. Work done in fraction. Here the time taken by the workers to do a fraction of work will be given and we have to find the time taken by them to do a whole work alone or together. Let's see the first question. First question, A does 1/4 of a piece of work in 20 days. He then calls in B and they finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long B alone will take to do the whole work? A 37 1/2 days, B 37 days, C 40 days, D 23 days, E none of these. Here the time taken by A to do 4/5 of work is given as 20 days time. And then B joins with A and they are completing the remaining work in 3 days. Now we have to find the time taken by B to do the work alone. Now let's solve it through the school method first. School method. A whole work completes. When A completes 4/5 of work in 20 days, then multiply 20 into inverse of it, that is 5/4 will give 25 days time. Then A plus B works equals to the remaining work will be 1 minus 4/5, it is 1/5. Then A plus B's 1 day work. When A plus B are doing 1/5 of work in 3 days, then their 1 day work will be divided by 3, so 1/15. Then A's 1 day work. When A does whole work in 25 days, then its 1 day work would be just inverse of 25, that is 1/25. Now finding the B's 1 day work. We know A's 1 day work and A plus B's 1 day work. So we are subtracting A's 1 day work from A plus B's 1 day work. We are getting 2/75. Now just inverse of it. The inverse of B's 1 day work will be the time taken by B to complete the whole work. That is 37 1/2 days time. Now let's see the trick method. Trick method, we can calculate the total time taken by A to complete the whole work as 20 into inverse of 4/5, that is 5/4 will be 25 days. Then A plus B's time taken, they are completing 1/5 of work in 3 days. So 3 into inverse of 1/5, so 3 into 5 equals to 15 days. Now we know time taken by A and A plus B to complete the whole work. So we are taking LCM for 25 and 15, which will be 75. Let's consider this 75 as the whole work. Now when we are dividing this 75, the whole work, by the days taken by A and A plus B, we will get the efficiency, that is 3 and 5 respectively. When we know the efficiency of A and A plus B, we can just subtract A from A plus B and get B's efficiency, that is 2. We know the efficiency of B and the total work 75. So 75/2, which is 37 1/2 days. Now let's see the pro trick method. Pro trick method. Here observing the question, we know that the remaining 1/5 of work would be finished by A in 5 days if A works alone. But when B joins it, they are finishing it in 3 days. So B is reducing 2 days. Which means let's consider the work done in this 5 days is 5. So A is finishing 3 work and B would finish 2 work because the 2 days are reduced. So the efficiency would be 3:2. When we know the efficiency as 3:2, we can multiply the number of days taken by A, that is 25 into 3. Total work would be 25 into 3 divided by the efficiency of B, that is 2, would give the final answer, that is 37 1/2 days. With this, we can simply solve this sum in our mind. Let's see the next question. Second question. A and B together can complete a work in 24 days. B alone does 1 by 3 part of this work in 12 days. How many days will A alone take to complete the remaining work? Option A 24 days, B 36 days, C 48 days, D 72 days, E none of this. Here there are A and B working together and completing the work in 24 days, and B alone does 1 by 3 part of the work in 12 days. Now A have to do the remaining work left out by B. We have to find the time taken by A to complete that work. Now let's solve it through the school method. School method. When B completes 1 by 3 of a work in 12 days, then it will complete the whole work in 12 into 3, 36 days. Then the work done by B in a single day would be 1 by 36. Then A by B doing the whole work in 24 days, then the work done by it in single day would be 1 by 24. So now to find the A's 1 day work, we can subtract B's 1 day work from A plus B's 1 day work. So 1 by 24 minus 1 by 36 equals to 1 by 72 is A's 1 day work. So A would complete the whole work in just inverse of the 1 day work, that is 72 days. The remaining work that is left out by B would be 1 minus 1 by 3. It is 2 by 3. So when A can complete the whole work in 72 days, then the time taken by A to complete the remaining work would be 72 into 2 by 3. That is 48 days. Let's next see the trick method. Trick method. When B is completing 1 by 3 of work in 12 days, then it would complete the whole work in 36 days. So the time taken by A would be unknown to complete the whole work. Then B would be 36. Then A plus B would be 24. Taking LCM for 36 and 24, we will get 72. Fixing this LCM as the total work and dividing it by the time taken by B and A plus B, we would get 2 and 3. When we know the efficiency of B and A plus B, subtracting B from A plus B, we will get the efficiency of A as 1. When the A's efficiency is 1, then time taken would be 72. The total work by efficiency, which would be 72 days time. So now they are asking the remaining work, that is time taken by A to do the remaining work. The remaining work is 2 by 3. So we are multiplying 72 by 2 by 3. So we get the time as 48 days. Now let's see the pro trick method. Pro trick method. In the question, A and B are doing the whole work in 24 days. That is in 24 days A and B are doing one work. Then the B would do how much work in 24 days? Just doubling it, that is 12 into 2. So B would do 2 by 3 of a work. Similarly, the A would do the remaining work. That is in 24 days when whole work is finished by A plus B and B is doing only 2 by 3 of a work in 24 days, then A would do the remaining 1 by 3 of a work. So now we have to find the work left out by B, that is 2 by 3. When A is doing 1 by 3 in 24, then just multiplying 24 by 2 will give 48, which will be the answer for A. Now let's see the next sum. Third sum. A can do 1/3 of work in 5 days. B can do 2/5 of work in 10 days. Both A and B together can do the work in A 7 3 by 7 days, B 8 4 by 5 days, C 9 3 by 8 days, D 10 days. Here A is doing 1/3 of work in 5 days. Then B is doing 2/5 of work in 10 days. Now we have to find the work done by A and B working together. Now let's solve it through the school method. School method. When A completes 1 by 3 of a work in 5 days, then it would complete the whole work in 5 into 3 days, that is 15 days time. Then B would complete the whole work in inverse of it, that is 10 into 5 by 2, which is 25 days. Then A's 1 day work would be inverse of 15 days, that is 1 by 15. B's 1 day work would be inverse of 25 days, that is 1 by 25. Then A plus B's 1 day work would be, we have to just add A's 1 day work and B's 1 day work, that is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25 equals to 8 by 75. When A plus B's single day's work is 8 by 75, then the total work done by A plus B would be inverse of it, that is 75 by 8 equals to 9 3 by 8 days time. Now let's see the trick method. Trick method. A does the work in 15 days, B in 25 days. Taking the LCM for it, 75. Fixing this 75 as LCM, we get the efficiency for A and B as 5 and 3. Now let's adding up, we get the total efficiency for A and B, which is 8. Now dividing 75 by 8, we get the time taken by A plus B. That is 93 by 8 days time. Now let's see the pro trick method. Pro trick method. Here the number of days taken by A to finish the work is 15 and the B to finish the whole work is 25. So the ratio would be 3:5, which would be the efficiency. So the total efficiency for A and B would be 8. So when the total efficiency is 8, then the time taken by them would be the work done by efficiency. That is, the denominator would have the value of 8 or its factors. That is 8, 2, 4 or 1. In the options, the only options having 8 or its factors in its denominator is C and D. That is 10 as the denominator 1, which is also a factor for 8. So we can cancel out A and B, and between these two we have to find the right answer. Now let's take the D. D as 10. So when the denominator is 8 or 4 or 2, then the value would have been, before division it would have been 40, 80 or 20. So these have even numbers in it. But here the time taken by A and B are in odd numbers. That is, 2 is not present in them. So this can't be the answer. So C is the answer. With this, we have completed the lesson. Hope it was useful. You can join our study group through the link in the description. Thank you.